Prime your body, the best warm-up exercises before your workout. Before diving into any workout, it's crucial to properly prepare your body for the physical demands ahead. A well-rounded warm-up routine not only helps prevent injuries, but also enhances performance during your workout. Here are some of the best warm-up exercises to incorporate into your pre-workout routine. 1. Dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretches involve moving parts of your body through a full range of motion. Examples include arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. Dynamic stretching helps increase blood flow to your muscles and improves flexibility, preparing them for the upcoming workout. 2. Foam rolling. Foam rolling, also known as self-myofascial release, involves using a foam roller to massage tight muscles and release tension. Spend a few minutes rolling over various muscle groups, focusing on areas that feel particularly tight or sore. Foam rolling helps improve mobility and reduce the risk of injury during exercise. 3. Cardiovascular warm-up. Incorporating 5 to 10 minutes of light cardiovascular exercise, such as jogging, cycling, or jumping jacks, raises your heart rate and increases blood flow to your muscles. This helps elevate your body temperature and prepares your cardiovascular system for more intense activity. 4. Activation exercises. Activation exercises target specific muscles or muscle groups to improve neuromuscular connection and enhance muscle engagement during your workout. Examples include glute bridges, band walks, and shoulder rotations. Activation exercises help activate dormant muscles and prevent compensation by dominant muscle groups. 5. Dynamic movements. Perform dynamic movements that mimic the exercises you'll be doing in your workout. For example, if your workout includes squats, incorporate bodyweight squats or lunges into your warm-up. This primes the movement patterns and neuromuscular pathways specific to your workout, improving performance and reducing the risk of injury. 6. Joint mobilization. Include exercises that target joint mobility, such as ankle circles, wrist circles. Joint mobilization exercises help lubricate your joints, improve range of motion, and reduce stiffness, allowing for smoother and more efficient movement during your workout. 7. Breathing exercises. Take a few moments to focus on deep diaphragmatic breathing before starting your workout. Deep breathing helps relax your body, oxygenates your muscles, and reduces tension, preparing you mentally and physically for the task ahead. Remember to tailor your warm-up routine to your specific needs and the demands of your workout. Start with general movements to increase blood flow and body temperature, then progress to more specific exercises targeting the muscles and movements you'll be using. A thorough warm-up sets the stage for a safe, effective, and enjoyable workout experience. So, next time you hit the gym or head out for a run, don't skip the warm-up. Your body will thank you for it.